Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we are going to start with 3.5, which is circles, and we are using Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics course book of second edition. Alright, so in mathematics, a circle, we all know about what is circle, and circles are defined as a set of points which are all at the same distance from a given fixed point. This is a distance, like it will be the same for all the points. Okay? So every point on the outside curved line around a circle is the same distance from the center of the circle. Let's look at the parts of circle in detail. Okay, these are the ones which we are going to look at. So this one right over here is the center of a circle, right? जो O लिखा हुआ है, this one. This is an O which represents center, right? And then we have this radius which starts from the center to the circumference. ये जो बाहर वाली outline है, this is called circumference. So this outline is called circumference, and right, and this part is radius, and this point is O is the center. And then जो point center से होके circumference को touch करेगा वो radius होगा, पर जो point जो center को pass through करेगा वो हमारे पास diameter होगा. अब it does not matter कि वो बिल्कुल straight हो, it can be like this. This is also a diameter because it is passing right through the center and touching both of the endpoints of the circumference. Then we have this is the center because radius हमेशा center में बनता है. तो ये हमारा radius center है, ये radius है, यहाँ से भी ये भी radius है, this is also radius. ठीक है, ये हमारे पास अभी जब दो radius बनाए ना, it looks like a Pac-Man, right? This is a Pac-Man. This is a Pac-Man. जो major sector होता है, which is a Pac-Man, right? And then we have a minor sector over here, which is this shape, right? And the arc, जो minor sector की arc होगी ना, वो हमारा minor arc होगी. जो major sector की arc होगी वो major arc होगी. Just remember कि minor sector जो है it's definitely smaller and major is definitely bigger. And these points जो कि radius से कट होके ऐसे बन रहे होते हैं, these are called sectors. ठीक है? And then we have this straight line. अगर for example ये diameter है जो कि center से pass through हो रहा है, and if I make another line something like this, is this passing through the center? No. Is it a diameter? No, because it's not passing through the diameter. But does it touch both of the endpoints of circumference? Yes, it does. That means it's a chord. This is a chord and this is a diameter. So we can see this is a chord क्योंकि center से नहीं लग रहा, बिल्कुल end points पे है, इसको हम लोग कहते हैं chord. जो chord के साथ segments जो बनते हैं parts, उसे हम कहते हैं major segment और minor segment. यहाँ पर sector हो गए जब radius के साथ center से cut होगा तो वो sector होगा, अगर वो chord cut होगा तो वो segments बन जाएगा. Then we have semicircles. This is very obvious, circle को बीच में से cut कर दो, that becomes semicircle. And then for this one you can see that AB is a minor arc. AB ये वाली जो है ये minor arc है because obviously ये वाली arc जो है ये major arc है, and angle X is subtended by arc AB. This is an important line that AB जो ये A है और ये जो B है, it is a minor arc and angle X जो है वो subtended है by arc AB. These are the key terms that you need to memorize. This is because it's a new point and it's an important one, right? जो angle X है वो subtended है from the at the circumference, angle at the circumference. We cannot make like something like this, right? It has to be intended from the circumference, यानी angle को circumference से touch करना चाहिए. इसका मतलब ये है कि एक एंगल तब फॉर्म होगा जब हमारे पास दो कोर्ड्स जो है दो एंड पॉइंट्स के साथ मीट कर रहे होंगे और दोबारा से वो एज ऑफ द सर्कल के साथ मीट कर रहे होंगे. दैट्स व्हेन दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन. यू कैन आल्सो सी दिस for reference, the angle x is subtended at the circumference, right? This means that it is the angle formed by two chords. ये angle जो है ये two chords, देखो this is the chord 1, this line, this is the chord 2. Let's say right, okay, let's use the chord 2. Passing through the endpoints of the arc, this is the arc, right? इस arc के end points पे वो meet कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, इन points पे वो meet कर रहा है और वो दोबारा meet कर रहा है एक edge पे, इस edge पे, this is the edge, this is the point जब AB हमारे पास minor arc होगा और angle x जो है वो subtended हुआ है by arc AB. I hope this is clear. Now let's move on to the exercise. Name the features shown in blue on this circles, which is very simple. Let's find A is, this is the center, so this is the diameter. B जो है ये यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक शुरू हुआ है, that means it's a major arc. For C part, this is starting from here to here, that means it's a radius. Then for the D part, we have this smaller size. You can see this white space that looks like a Pac-Man. That means this is a minor sector, not sector. Okay, what is E? E itself is a chord. And what is F? This whole big part is colored. That means it's a major segment. Okay. For question number 2, this is draw four small circles, use shading to show a semicircle. Okay. For part A, semicircle will look like this, and you can shade this as well, this part, like this shade, इसको पूरा evenly shade करना है, ठीक है, evenly. Anyways, okay, B part shades a minor segment. I hope you can just imagine that this is a pretty circle, which I can't make properly. Okay, a minor segment. A minor segment has to be something जो कि बिल्कुल half cut होगा. It should be less than the major part. So this is going to be the minor segment. For C part, a tangent to the circle. Tangent. We didn't go over tangent. Tangent is something. Let me just show it to you. If this is a circle, tangent is something which touches the circle only once. So this is a very important point for tangent. Touches only once. It cannot touch more than once. So it will look like something like this. सिर्फ एक point को touch करेगा. It should be a better drawing, but that's how it looks like. Any point जो कि बिल्कुल उसके करीब से गुजर के बस चला जाएगा. And what is D? Such a horrible circle. Okay, what D part says, angle Y subtended by a minor arc MN. Oh, nice. So angle Y subtended by a minor arc MN. Let's make a minor arc. Let's say this is a M. This is a chord for first chord, and then there is another chord which looks like this. So this is the minor arc. This is chord 1. This is chord 2. This is the angle Y that is subtended by a minor arc MN. Right? So this is how everything will look like. Question number 3, circle 1 and circle 2 have सर्कल 1 का भी ये सेंटर है और सर्कल 2 का भी यही सेंटर है। इसका मतलब है कि both of them are using the same centers. Okay, use the correct terms or letters to copy and complete each sentence. Okay, so for that, OB is a dash of circle 2. अगर हम लोग इस लाइन को देखें, O से B जो जा रही है, this line, so this line is bigger than the circle 1, so that means हम सर्कल 2 के ऊपर देख रहे हैं और सर्कल 2 के रेडियस से लेकर यानी सेंटर पॉइंट से लेकर, नॉट रेडियस से लेकर, सेंटर पॉइंट से लेकर, सेंटर से लेकर दिस पॉइंट, दिस एज, दिस सर्कमफेरेंस बी तक कौन सी ऐसी चीज होती है जो कि सेंटर से लेकर सर्कमफेरेंस तक जाती है? इट्स रेडियस. So OB is the radius of circle 2. What about DE? For D से लेकर E तक, अब ये क्या है? सर्कल 1 का सर्कमफेरेंस है और E भी क्या है? सर्कल 2 का सर्कमफेरेंस है. बट ये इसका मतलब है या ये डायमीटर हो सकता है या ये कोड हो सकती है. बट फॉर चेकिंग कि डायमीटर है या कोड है, डायमीटर जो होता है वो सेंटर से पास होता है और कोड जो होती है वो सेंटर से पास नहीं होती. सो डायमीटर जो है वो सेंटर से पास हो रही है, लाइन सेंटर से पास हो रही है, hence it's a diameter. So DE is the diameter of circle 1. AC, AC. So AC is the dash of circle 2. A और C जो है वो दोनों circumference पे lie करते हैं और ये radius से connected है. So that means it's a sector. But sector है तो इसका मतलब है minor sector है क्योंकि it's a smaller one. And then we can see कि A से C जो है वो हमारी arc आएगी. Definitely it's going to be an arc, so that's why it's going to be minor arc. I'm just writing it in front because there is no space. What about D? So they're asking us find the radius of circle 1. So circle 1 का radius क्या होगा? O से D. ठीक है? या you can also say O से F or O से E. Let's say O से D. OD. C A B is a dash of circle 2. C A B is a dash of circle 2. तो ये क्या है? C से लेकर ये क्या है? What is this for circle 2? So what we are looking at, हम जो देख रहे हैं, जो हम लोग space देख रहे हैं, let me highlight that space so it's little. I'll highlight it so that it's known to you that this is the point C से लेकर B तक. So we are talking about this entire path. CAB is a major arc. तो हम लोग इस arc की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? तो this is a major arc. Angle FOD. मैंने इसको बहुत मिसी कर दिया, so it's hard to find. Okay. Angle FOD. What is angle FOD? Angle FOD is going to be a sector of circle 1 and circle 2. दोनों का एक sector है, एक part है. That is why angle is the word. FOD, ये वाला point है, उसका क्या है? उसका vertex किसका है? Circle 1 और circle 2 का जो sector का है, ठीक है? That's what it is going to be. And this is how this exercise 3.8 comes to an end as well.